A well-maintained talent architecture keeps learners aligned with evolving skills and career paths, and supercharges LinkedIn Learning's career development features. Here's how to quickly build or maintain yours on LinkedIn Learning. Start by locating and downloading the CSV template in the admin portal. Head to Content, then Roles. From there, select Add New Roles, and then Upload CSV file. Here you'll find the template. All you'll need to start are your organization's role titles, which you'll fill in column A. You can also add optional items like a short description and key skills. If you don't already have a talent architecture built out, blank descriptions and skills fields will be generated with the help of AI and LinkedIn economic graph data. Once your roles are mapped out, upload the completed file back into LinkedIn Learning. We'll process it and flag anything that needs attention. Now it's time to review. Take a look at any LinkedIn-generated descriptions and skills and fine-tune. Need to review or get approval from others? Download as a CSV to collaborate offline with stakeholders, re-upload with changes, or leverage your new LinkedIn-powered talent architecture across your organization. When everything looks right, it's time to publish. You can do this one by one, or multi-select to publish one job family at a time, in bulk. Finally, keep your framework evolving. As your organization changes, your talent architecture should too. Add, update, or archive roles regularly, with ongoing insights from LinkedIn to help you understand how skills are evolving and make informed decisions about your strategy. And that's it. You've brought your talent architecture to life. Now you're ready to supercharge career development on LinkedIn Learning Career Hub. Better inform your HR and business leaders and power employee experiences across your entire organization.